If you're learning Shona in 2026, things are finally moving. You know how I always lament that there are so few resources to learn Shona. But now we have new apps, new tools, new resources in a space where honestly, there was not much before. And I have done some digging so that you don't have to. Pachi Pamwe, I'm Titi and welcome to Speak Shona, where we make learning Shona feel less like homework and more like coming home. Today, I'm taking you through resources to learn Shona right now. Apps, dictionaries, books, and the nice thing, these are all fairly new. And I'll be honest with you about what is worth it and maybe what is not and what I haven't even used just yet. Let's get into it. The first resource is a staple, and this is one I always come back to. Beginner's ChiShona by Aquilina Mawadza. If you're serious about learning Shona and you want a proper foundation, this is your book. It is structured, it is clear, and it will get you started. You might be asking me, but it's not new. What is new is the second edition. The second edition is out, and that's the one you want because that is the version that comes with audio. So you're not just reading words on a page, you're actually hearing how they actually sound. It's not a complete course on its own, but it will give you a solid foundation. I have linked the second edition below. Make sure you get that one specifically. The second resource is one I actually haven't looked into much. It's Learn Shona by Chawatama. I've not used this one, but I have heard a lot about it. People say that it's very good for beginners. So if the Mawadza book feels like it's a lot to start with and it's jumping some of the basic, this one might be a gentle entry point, worth looking into. Link also in the description. With all them links, you're going to need to be scrolling down at this rate. The third resource is one I'm genuinely excited about. Duramazwi.co.zw. Now, this is a new player, not the old Duramazwi that disappeared. It's not a fresh update, it's completely new. And it has grown very fast. We're talking 15,000 words, 2,310 proverbs, Otsumo, 1,416 idioms, Madimikira, and 2,129 ideophones or Nyaozo Singwi, and growing. So who knows, by the time you see this, the numbers might be quite different. It has apps on iOS, Android, and Microsoft, as well as games and word of the day and a translator. In a space where we've had almost nothing, this is a big deal. Currently, it's free, comprehensive, and genuinely impressive for how new it is. The only irritating thing sometimes is that the website can be blocked by these giant ads that you have to wade through. But go and get the app. It's free. There's no reason not to. Watch the ads and support the developers. The fourth resource is another dictionary. This one is called ShonaDictionary.com. This one is very new and is still growing, but I wanted to include it because the idea behind it is great. It's a community-driven dictionary, meaning people are contributing words and helping to build it out. There is a daily challenge to test your vocabulary, which I love. It is not yet as comprehensive as Duramazwi, but it is one to bookmark and watch. In fact, that it exists at all is super exciting. Go and have a look. And while you're there, suggest a word. Be a part of it. And the last resource is mine, so bear with me. I'm building an app called Mazwi. Think flashcard style, think Anki, think space repetition, but built specifically for Shona. No filler, no other languages, just Shona vocabulary with sentences. It is in the works, so not a ton of words are in there as yet, but the links are down below so that you can actually figure out, hey, do I want to bookmark this? And as it keeps developing, use it on a daily basis? I wanted to mention it here because you're watching this video and you're exactly who I am building this app for. The moment it drops in its fullness and goes out of beta, I will put another link below. And honestly, at this point, you should just live in the description. Let's recap. Beginner's ChiShona by Aquilina Mawadza, your foundation book. Get the second edition. Learn Shona by Chawatama. Worth a look if you're an absolute beginner. Duramazwi.co.zw. Free, comprehensive, growing. Get the app. ShonaDictionary.com. New, community-driven, one to watch. And Mazwi. Mine, still in beta. coming live soon. All the links are below. Yes, all of them. So go to the description. Which one of these are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you have not yet watched our Everyday Phrases Part 1 and Part 2, there's a link somewhere. Go and add some Shona to your day. Tonana.